Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well and safe. So today I will be making chicken biryani, which is like an Asian style, really flavoured rice. And I'll be making a raita alongside. A raita is like a yogurt style sort of chutney which goes really well with biryani. So I hope you really enjoy this video and I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you. So these are the ingredients. In here I've got 3 cups of rice, soaked rice. I've washed it out, put some water on top, and I've also put that 1.5 spoons of salt in there. I'm going to put that on boil in a minute. In here I have got 2 spoons of vegetable oil measured with a spoon of this size. Then over here I have 1 tomato finely sliced. I've got 3 cloves of garlic and a bit of ginger mashed up. I've got about 3-4 chilies, but obviously you can add chili according to your taste. I've got some finely chopped coriander here. Here I've got 2 finely chopped onions. I've got some chicken here, and then also we've got this box here. It is the seasoning box. You can get one of these from Asda, Tesco, or any Asian superstores. But if you do go to Asda or Tesco, it would be in the World Foods aisle. So these are our ingredients. So I forgot to mention that we need potatoes as well. I've literally cut up about 8 small potatoes in half, as you can see, and I'm going to add them up in a minute. So once your chicken looks sort of golden like this, I'm going to add in the spices. So I've stirred all the ingredients, and now you need to add 2 cups of water. Right, I've added in my water, the chilies, and I'm going to bring it to boil and then pop it on low heat for 10 minutes. So the rice is almost cooked. I've turned the heat off. It's about 3/4 cooked. Once it came to boil, I popped it on low heat and I left it on low heat for about 10 minutes. I'm now going to drain the water out. So my biryani mix has now come to boil. I've popped it on low heat. I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes. Okay, so in a fresh pot, pop about 2 tablespoons of oil. We're just adding oil because we do not want the rice to get stuck. So I'm literally going to start layering it up with some rice. Right, so the rice is laid up. I'm now going to add some of the mixture. I'm going to layer it up with rice on top after. Now I'm going to add some of my coriander and fresh mint. I've added some fresh mint as well. Literally just cut up about 6-7 leaves. So I'm just going to add that on top. And now it's going to be the rice and then the mixture. So I've laid it up around 3 times, and at the top, at the end, you just add the rice. I'm now going to pop it on low heat for 10 minutes and cover it up. Now it's time for the raita. In here I've got some cucumber. I've got about half of a red onion, finely chopped. Cucumber, about 1/4 of a cucumber. I've got some mint leaves in here, which I've mashed using a pestle and mortar. I've used about 8 to 10 leaves of mint leaves. We've got some fresh yogurt here and also some milk, and that's what we need for our raita. I've added about 3/4 of this yogurt, about 2 tablespoons of milk, and I've mixed it well. I'm now going to add in my cucumber and my onions. So you can also garnish your biryani with some eggs, but I forgot. But here's the finished product and it looks amazing. So you guys are in for a real treat today. I really feel like some mango lassi, and I thought why not share it with you all. So keep tuned to watch and know the recipe of mango lassi. Lassi, you just need a can of mango pulp, you need some milk, and you need some vanilla ice cream and a blender. So because it got quite full, I had to transfer it into this jug. I've added some more milk, and I've added about quite a lot of ice cream, and then I'm going to whiz it up. So, I hope you enjoyed my 2 recipes shared with you all today. If you have any requests of anything you want me to cook, please comment below. Hope you're all staying safe, and take care. Bye everyone.